Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. My name is Alex, and in this video, I want to address one ICP token that basically went to zero. It rug pulled, the contract was exploited, and everybody lost all of their money. And Jerry already covered it. This token is called BIL, but I want to cover it as well because not even like only 1 week ago, I created this video saying that we have a new proof of work token BIL with a 100x potential on the Internet Computer Protocol, and well, this was the opposite of a 100x. This went to 0x. And if anybody lost money by watching my video, I want to apologize. It's never my intention that you guys lose money. But, keep in mind, this is crypto and stuff like this actually happens. Now, before I start this video, I want to say that, I have nothing personal against, neither the founder or anyone else that I'm going to talk about in this video. It's just the facts, and I'm going to present to you the facts. So I want to go into why I was excited about this project, and why I decided to make a video about it. And I was about to make many more videos because, in my opinion, this was really a token that I could have created a lot of content around. So one of the most bullish things to me about this project was the team that was developing it. One of the real OG teams inside the ICP Echo, it was the team that's behind Plug Wallet. It's Luke from ICP, and his developers decided to build this BIL token. And yeah, listen, everybody knows Luke, everybody knows Plug. It's one of the most popular wallets inside the ICP ecosystem. So that was cool. And, you couple that with the fact that BIL was being used to give utility to EXE, the leading meme token at the time on the Internet Computer Protocol. So this combo, in my opinion, was great. And I enjoyed, the community built around it. There were some red flags, which, in my opinion, could not have been, shouldn't have been ignored. Like, the developers were taking a very long time whenever there was a problem. You were not able to trade the tokens for like 48 hours at some point. So there were some red flags, and, red flags shouldn't be ignored, especially in crypto. But to me, the fact that, people that I could really trust were behind it, is one of the reasons why I decided maybe those red flags are not that important. So let's check out and let's see what happened. So the initial findings for BIL: hacker identified and used the vulnerability in balance check comparison. Both pending balance and available balance were stored on the ledger as whatever. Unfortunately, what the development team did not expect is that in case of overflow, execution was not terminated due to overflow. Instead, it continued with casted value that was significantly lower. Okay, and then he goes on into the specifics of what really happened, and well, there is really no point in reading the rest of it if it's so technical. So TLDR is this: somebody minted a bunch of tokens, dumped them, and that was it. Now, it's not that much. The damages were not huge because this token didn't have a lot of liquidity. Like, it didn't have hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars in liquidity. I think that I saw a few posts that the hacker, maybe left with like 20K in total. He transformed it into CKBTC, and then took the CKBTC, turned it into BTC, and then off it went. So I don't think that the hacker made a lot of money, which is good, but the damages to people holding the BIL token are not to be ignored. One of the biggest holders of BIL and one of the biggest advocates of BIL was Passion Planet, which I think lost a ton of money, like a ton of money. He wanted to quit ICP, he wanted to disappear, and he was asking for his money back. And it's really unpleasant, when a rug pull happens, when an exploit like this happens, which honestly, it shouldn't happen. If you are a serious development team and you're writing a code and then you're inviting another huge community into your project, you better be sure that your code is okay, because stuff like this can happen and a lot of people can get hurt. Here is ICP Protector, going for finding, the culprit, finding the person that did the hack. All in all, I think there may still be some hope for the people that were affected by this hack, because Luke, he's a public figure inside the ICP ecosystem. It's not like he's an anon. He's probably going to try and fix it, maybe do a fork of the token and add some liquidity. Whoever wants to sell their BIL, sell it at the price that it was before the hack. But it's super unpleasant. And if there is one person that I don't want to be in the shoes of, it is Shill Gates, the developer behind Windoge. Because Windoge was one of the most promising projects inside ICP. It was doing well. It was in a huge accumulation range in which it traded for the past year, between 50 cents and $1, 50 cents, $1, up and down, up and down, up and down, and then BIL appeared. It went from 60 cents up to $1.20. People were like, we have some utility for EXE. This is fun, this is cool. And it was only downhill from there. Like, it went down to 17 cents. Now it's sitting around 26 cents. And imagine being a developer and putting all this time and effort into your meme token, creating memes, creating a community, building the community. And then somebody comes and gives you this project, which, look good, finally some utility for EXE. People are gonna love it, and people did love it. And then, an exploit like this happens, and, your token took a massive hit. So this is gonna need some time for EXE to recover from this. People who believe in EXE are now getting a great buying opportunity. All in all, it's very unpleasant when things like this happen. The good part is that the founder of BIL and the people behind BIL are public, and I think that they will do everything in their power to try to fix the problem. It's always unpleasant, but it is what it is. So once again, if you guys bought into BIL and lost money because you watched this video, I apologize, and that's never the intention when I'm making those videos. And moving forward, because I've seen comments, people saying, blockchain pill, you talked about that, you talked about a scam. What do you guys want me to do? So whenever something like this happens, right, should I not talk about a project until it gets an audit? Because audits, for codes, on ICP or in crypto, they cost, tens of thousands of dollars. So can we really expect a project that just launched to spend $20,000, $30,000 and 2-3 weeks for an audit to happen? Should I only talk about projects after they have been audited? And keep in mind, a hack similar to this happened to Bob as well, which is, now the largest proof of work token on ICP. A similar hack, somebody minted tokens or something happened, but the developer of Bob, froze the accounts before that person managed to sell their tokens. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think I should do, moving forward, so that we can avoid situations like this in the future. I think this is a great reminder to do your own research and, to look into stuff before you buy it. The code was open source, but it's not like we can read the code and understand the code. So I don't know really what doing your own research could have done in this case. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope, stuff like this will not happen in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember to let me know in the comment section below, what do you think I should be doing? Not talk about new projects, talk maybe to the founders of the projects to let them show the project for us, or whatever you guys want. If you guys want me to only create videos about ICP and, alien tech and not touch any projects, maybe that's a solution as well. Or yeah, who knows? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.